This one's nice. Look at that ceiling. Beautiful. Nice little back porch sunroom area. Looks pretty comfy. Wow, nice. Ooh, I didn't see that. Big flat screen. Blue stools. Are those metal? Wow, they are. Look at that. Crazy. Oh, look at the plates. Those are neat design. Some beverages. I like these lights too. What we got in here? Testing out the new gimbal. What do you think? Smooth footage or what? Smoother? Hopefully not quite as shaky for you guys. Hot water on demand. Water still on. Yeah. Gonna start getting cold. Better get that water off. It's all gonna freeze up. Nice wood ceilings. That's a nice little cottage. Flows right into the next room. Got a record player. The Big Chill. Crosley, little record player. That's cool. Yeah, that's neat. We got the door out to the side here. The second door. The second doorway. What's this? Look at that light. It's pretty neat. It's got a candle in the middle. Oh, that's cool. Neighbors. So it's not the most secluded cottage. This one is not on the water. Not like that last one. That one was really nice. I like that table. Smooth. Well used. Bedroom. Big bed. Fair sized room actually. For having such a big bed that looks like a king. It's pretty big. That's cool. Little end table. Bunch of sticks glued together. Wow, neat. Empty closet. Nice and clean for a change. a beach photo. Or maybe even a painting. Yeah, I think that's a painting actually. Oh, cool. And then bedroom number 2 over here. Oh, and bedroom number 3. 3 bedrooms in this place. It's got kind of like a poster bed thing, whatever those are called. Nice and fresh and clean. There's a big bulb. It's like that's big. Another van and beach photo. That's cool. We all like to be there. What's that, I wonder? Beads on a string. Okay, let's check out the 3rd bedroom. Oh, that's nice. And lots of these wicker lights throughout the place. There's neighbors right there through the window over that fence. Wow. And the bed's pretty tight. So you could wake up, just give a good old wave to your neighbor over there. Well, these windows are frosted at least. Oh, we have another bead string thing here. Must be for maybe tying the curtains back or something. I don't know. Huh. Another one of those things. Maybe a laundry basket for the people, I guess. Isn't that nice? They leave all that stuff for you. Alright, let's take a peek at the bathroom. Nice. Water is still on in this one too. Tiny little window. I see a neighbor out there across the street. Yeah, nice little cottage. Those lights. That's cool. There's the switch here. Ooh. Nice. Oh, we got, oh, that's just a screen. Isn't that weird? I can see the roof through the screen. Well, I'm surprised it's not like freezing in here. I've never seen that before. Usually like it's a board, piece of wood, some kind of hatch. Okay, well, I think that's a wrap of this place. Oh, look at that phone. I walked right by it. Didn't even see it. Wow. Remember those with the cords? Wonder if it works. It does. Can you hear it? I don't know if you can hear the dial tone. Wow, that's cool. It actually still works. I should call myself. All right. No, that's a wrap. Nice once in a while to get into a clean place. and try out this new gimbal. I'm gonna have to take a peek when we're done here, and hopefully that's some smooth footage for you guys. You know, look, a little hatch up there too. I didn't notice that either.